Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Rituparna and as you have read from the title, today we are going Parivar Samet. Yes, Parivar Samet to Phuket, Thailand. Family fun क्या होता है? आज सुबह पता चला.
The next morning.
Hey you guys, welcome to day 3 in Phuket. Last night the vlog ended on a very abrupt note. That's because we were so tired after that 8-hour thing. But we came back. I didn't really have dinner. My family went out for dinner and stuff. I just slept off. I think I was so deprived of sleep that I needed that 10-hour, 12-hour sleep. So today we are all fresh and as you can see, we're all set for another exciting tour. Today we are heading to Phang Nga Bay and I'm so excited for this one because it's a sunset tour and also it has one USP which I will show you later in the video. But yeah, yesterday's tour was magical. I honestly can't wait to come back because it was just very beautiful. Probably next time I would love to stay at Fifi because I guess in that way you'll be able to spend more time on the island and explore the beaches and stuff. Now we are waiting for our pickup to come and then we leave for the tour of the day. So guys, the van has just arrived and we are waiting for the other people to come in and then we'll be heading to the pier most probably. So very excited for today's tour. I mean, I've been seeing the pictures of Phang Nga Bay for such a long time, so to see that in person is going to be super exciting. And also we have kayaking and all those stuff, so yes. So guys, we've reached the Royal Marine Pier and it is absolutely beautiful out here. We're currently waiting for a security briefing to go and then we will take a boat to Phang Nga Bay. I see, this is the view. Extremely pretty. I can't wait for the tour to begin. Obviously, it's really hot at this moment. So that is the bummer, but nonetheless, I'm sure the tour will be really good.
For the plankton, they have 3 different colors. They have a blue color, white color, and green color. Like this, everyone. For the plankton, they are nature, and we can see them 100%. We can see them, but some days beautiful, some days not beautiful. Depend on the moon, depend on the sea condition, depend on the water type.
Nestled in Phang Nga Bay, Thailand lies the iconic James Bond island, officially known as Koh Tapu. This striking limestone cast, thrusting vertically from emerald waters, rose to global fame after starring in the 1974 Brown classic, The Man with the Golden Gun. Its dramatic cliffs, hidden caves and awe-inspiring seascapes make it a dream for explorers and photographers alike. But the real USP, that unmistakable rock pinnacle, tall, narrow and unforgettable, standing like nature's sculpture in the sea. Ice Cream Cave, located on Panak Island in Thailand's Phang Nga Bay, is renowned for its unique limestone formations that resemble scoops of ice cream. Visitors can explore the cave by kayak or small boat, navigating through its narrow entrance to discover expansive chambers adorned with impressive stalactites and stalagmites. The cave's interior can be slippery, so it's advisable to wear appropriate footwear with good grip. Additionally, bringing a flashlight or using your phone's flashlight feature is recommended as the cave can be quite dark inside.
Islands will show, and then it's made by nature. Okay, you can take a picture, video with the light phone along.
What are you doing? Guys, this is such a wholesome experience, honestly. Number 1, I would definitely recommend this tour. I'm going to link it in the description box below. I know mostly the vlog is all me giving you a voiceover and stuff, but here it's pure peace for me to vlog. But the best is yet to come. Hopefully it comes. But oh my god, so pretty. Yeah, just look at all this, man. So beautiful. इसलिए मुझे थाईलैंड पसंद है. Thailand loves me, dude. I'm spending money. Good couple shares. Now Shashu is in the front. Look at this. Hey guys, the boat has stopped at this spot for swimming since I don't know how to swim, but it's something that I really want to learn. It's a life skill as such. But yeah, we've just stopped the boat somewhere over here. It's very pretty. It's not very far away from the place where we are canoeing. So pretty. I've tanned like anything, but I don't mind it. It'll all go away. It's just skin color at the end of the day. Hi guys, for the second last stop of our day. I don't really remember the name of the village. I'm going to pop it up on the screen somewhere. We've come here for dinner. It's very bright outside while we are having dinner because our last experience requires moonlight because we're going to be seeing some bioluminescent planktons, and oh my god, I'm so excited for this one. Also, this is a Muslim village, so you're supposed to cover up and stuff. I'm wearing a jacket, but for the feet, like, I'm still wearing shorts, but just to be respectful, out of respect, you need to wear proper clothing. So make sure that you carry extra clothes with you, like a t-shirt or something, not just come here in your bikinis and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy some dinner and then go and watch the plankton. So we've got back to our hotel, and yes, I've changed into a new set of clothes again. I don't know why, but I felt like changing my clothes. But yes, we are back in our hotel, and the last experience, which was the bioluminescent planktons, I couldn't really capture them on camera. Whatever shot was before this, of us being so excited to see the planktons. You can see them in person, but in camera they were not getting captured at all because they were not that luminescent enough. But nonetheless, I would 100% recommend this activity. Oh my god, the amount of money that we've paid for this activity, it was just exceptional. End-to-end services were really good. I highly recommend this. I mean out of all the activities that we've done so far, this is the one which I think is going to be the most favorite. And yeah, now the plan is to chill at the pool and just spend some family time. So maybe I'll see you at the pool, maybe not, or I'll catch up with you in some time.
The next day.
Guys, welcome to day 4 in Phuket, or I can say like the full day 3 in Phuket. And today we are going to do another exciting activity, that is meeting the elephants in an elephant sanctuary. It's very difficult to find an ethical elephant sanctuary out here because there are certain sanctuaries which where you might not feel comfortable with the elephants because they're not treated that well and stuff. But I found one on Get Your Guide, and if the experience is good enough, I will definitely link it down below. But very excited to meet the elephants. Also, somehow I feel like elephant is my spirit animal. Actually, they're one of my favorite creatures, and I just adore, like, they're so adorable. I just love them too much, and I'm very excited to meet them in person, feed them, walk with them, and just get to know more about their life. So yeah, as usual, our pickup is already arranged, and they will pick us up in an hour or so, and then we will be heading to the sanctuary. Till then, as you can see, we are all ready and set. So we're just gonna chill at the pool and click some pictures, and then we are gonna come back to our hotel, change again, and go to Old Town Phuket. And probably that's gonna be one of the last experiences, or if not, we might go to the infamous street. Not yet sure, because going to a place like that with your parents is quite scandalous, but let's see how it goes and how all of that pans out and stuff. But for now, I'll see you guys once our pickup is here.
Gonna see today is
a home elephant, no? So we need to know about him a little bit, no? And first of all, good afternoon, cup everyone. Sawadee krap. So my name is Toad. Gonna be your tour guide today, no? I'm working with the elephant here. Now 7 months with the elephant. So I learn about it, many things about it. So today I will tell you, I will tell you some experience about the elephant. No? Okay, yeah.
Hey guys, so we reached the elephant sanctuary and we just got an introduction to the sanctuary and stuff, and now we're going to meet the elephant. We're going to be meeting the female elephant today, so very excited to see her, the motorcycle compared to the male elephant. So let's go. Hey you guys, so we are back from our elephant experience and the sanctuary was really beautiful. We also met 4 elephants, out of which I know the names of only 2. Meta, something like this, and the other one was Lulu. They were so cute and adorable. There's also a baby elephant with them, but it's in the protective zone, so you can't really feed or meet the elephant. Also, the experience that we chose didn't involve any bathing or anything. It just involved walking in their natural habitat and just feeding them. And yeah, 10 on 10 recommend the experience. I'm going to link it in the description box below, so don't forget to check out. Linking all the experiences that we've done so far in the description box. Now we've come back, and as you can see, I've changed into a new set of clothes. We are heading to Old Town Phuket. It's one of the most Pinteresty and beautiful parts of Phuket, and we intend to just roam around that area and shop a little maybe if we want to, or otherwise eat, because I'm craving for some coffee. So yeah, that's the plan of action. So I'll see you once we reach Old Town Phuket. Stores at the Old Town have a really lovely vibe. I mean, whichever store you look at, they're all very colorful, filled with flowers and stuff, obviously artificial flowers. But the vibe is so chic and so chill. Loving the vibe here. And also it's a good spot to shop. Still don't know how expensive this area is, but let's figure that out. Welcome to day 5 in Phuket, and also sadly our last day here. We just have a few hours here before we head to the airport because our flight is at 4:30 p.m. So sad, so bad, but can't help it. Also, if you're wondering if we went to the controversial street of Phuket last night, we didn't. We just ended up having some dinner. We thought that it's not the ideal place for a family to go and chill because it's just too much for them to handle also, and we don't really want them to take that experience in and finish their last night here like that. So we just went in for dinner, and after we left our parents at the hotel, we basically went to get some massage, and it was just heaven. We got a Thai massage, and it was an oil massage which was just 300 baht. Nothing very fancy, not a very fancy-ish place, but really affordable, and the masseuse was really good. So we got all our tension and everything out of our body. Now the plan of action is to head to the Patong beach, just go there, chill, enjoy the blue waters, and with that we will probably leave Phuket. But for now, let's head to the beach. Hey guys, so we finally reached the Patong beach and look at this. This is the main entry to the beach. The other night when we came to the beach, it was some other entry, but look at this, so pretty. Okay guys, now we're back on the road and we are heading to Kalim Beach, which is the beach next to Patong Beach. It's about 10 minutes walk from where we are. So let's go and check that beach out. I've heard it's really, really beautiful, so let's go. We reached Kalim Beach and look at this. So pretty. It has rocks formations all around it, and that's what makes it unique. Hey you guys, so we are back from the beach. I mean, it's been a while. We've already changed and stuff. I've taken another bath and all, and the fact that I'm wearing specs means that we're all set to head to the airport. Honestly, our time in Phuket has been amazing. I mean, it was beyond amazing and I can't just wait to come back. Maybe the next time with myself only, because this is such a solo traveler's paradise. And also if you want to come and, you know, enjoy this place with a partner, it's just the perfect place to relax and stuff. There's certain really beautiful resorts that you can choose for yourself. Maybe the next time when I'm here, I will go to the islands of Koh Tao, Krabi and all those smaller islands where you can just chill and relax and not do anything particularly. But it has been quite an adventure, and for everyone who thinks that you cannot really come with your parents to Phuket, you know, it just depends on the kind of experiences you choose and you just think of doing those things, then obviously that is not the right place to come with your parents. But if you want to give them wholesome experiences in terms of boat tours and island tours and stuff, then definitely Phuket is the place for you. So yeah, with that we come to an end to this video. All we have to do right now is to pack up and stuff, which we are already doing. You can see a lot of pasara behind me. So yeah, all we have to do is pack up and then head to the airport. As always, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. A lot more vlogs like these are going to come your way, and I'm going to be trying to post more this year in 2025. I don't know why I think that this should be the YouTube year or something like that, but yeah, like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a sweet comment. Don't forget to check out the description box to links for all the things like the hotels, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.